Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Google Meet for online classes. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to meet.google.com. Over here, sign in with your Google account. After that, click on New Meeting. Then select Start an instant meeting to begin right away. After that, share the meeting link or code with your students. Then, if you want to plan ahead, click on New Meeting and select Schedule in Google Calendar. After that, in the calendar, click Create and add meeting details. Then click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. After that, save and share the invitation link with your students. Then for students, click on the meeting link or go to meet.google.com and enter the code. After that, check your microphone and camera. Then click Join Now. Then you can use the chat box, raise hand icon, or present your screen. After that, if recording is enabled, you can record the class. Then remember to keep your mic muted when not speaking and use headphones. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.